Hello everyone, welcome to Soft Learning. Today we are going to learn about fruitful function. Functions that return a value are called as fruitful functions. In many programming language, a function that doesn't return any values is called a procedure. The return statement. The calling function generates a return value, which is usually assigned to a variable or used as a part of an expression. The return statement is also used to exit a function and go back to the place from where it was called. The syntax of return expression, the syntax of return value or return statement is return then an expression. Well, let's see a basic example of return statement. Here I'm going to create a function named as number, a set of parentheses. Inside it I have to put the parameter value, but here I'm not going to paste any parameter value. Simply I'm just putting colon to end the header function. Okay, inside the function say a equal to 10, then use the return statement, return then ia. Then outside the outside the function, say num equal to the variable, the function name number, then print the num, and you will get 10. Well, let's see the difference between print function and return statement. The print function in Python is used to display the specified content to the standard output device, typically the console. It takes one or more arguments and prints them to the console separated by spaces. The return value may or may not be assigned to another variable in the caller. Once the value is returned from the function, it immediately exits the function. Therefore, any code returned after the return statement is never executed. For example, say I'm going to create one more function, say num. Inside it, no needed of any parameters. Simply say print, then inside it say hello like this. Then if I click enter, then you will see indentation is taken. Okay, for example, here I'm going to say simply written, then say something a 1. Okay, then click and you will see there is no indentation has taken. Why? Because it immediately exits the function. Therefore, any code returned after the return statement is never executed. Hope you understand. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more, and share it with your friends.